Discover an unparalleled development opportunity in one of Tennessee's most dynamic and rapidly expanding regions. We present an exceptional 11.1 acres land offering, strategically located in Lebanon, Tennessee. This expansive offering comprises 2 combined parcels, totaling 11.1 acres at 523 Hartman Drive. This site is primed for significant redevelopment. Lebanon, Tennessee is a community experiencing remarkable growth, boasting a robust local economy. With an impressive median income of $93,684, this area presents a strong and attractive demographic for future developments. Families benefit from access to a range of top-rated schools nearby, including Friendship Christian, Wilson Central High, and Jones Brummett Elementary School, ensuring access to quality education within the community. This property boasts exceptional connectivity and road frontage. You'll find direct access to major local arteries, including Hartman Drive and Coles Ferry Pike, and critical regional highways, such as Highway 70 and State Highway 109, are just a few minutes away. Crucially, Interstate 40 is just around the corner, providing seamless access to the entire region. You'll be developing within a vibrant and thriving employment hub. Top employers in the Lebanon area include Under Armour Distribution, Amazon Distribution, Cracker Barrel Corporate Headquarters, Performance Food Group Distribution, and CEVA Logistics. Beyond employment, the area offers vibrant shopping districts, including the historic Public Square, Cedars Square Shopping Center, and the Walmart Supercenter. A comprehensive medical and hospital district, anchored by Vanderbilt Wilson County Hospital, is also within easy reach. The charm of historic downtown Lebanon is just moments away, offering unique local businesses and cultural experiences. For those seeking metropolitan amenities, this site offers unparalleled access. With downtown Nashville approximately 38-minute drive, 31 miles away, you gain the benefits of a bustling city while investing in the strategic growth of Lebanon. This 11.1 acres opportunity is perfectly positioned for success. Don't miss the chance to shape the future of this dynamic community. 11.1 acres development opportunity, Lebanon, Tennessee. Contact us today for a detailed prospectus.